Many myths surround the apparently glamorous world of plastic surgery, but in fact plastic surgery is a lot like every other medical specialty, with highly trained physicians providing everything from reconstructive hand surgery to burn scar revisions. On International Plastic Surgery Day, we get you into the inside details of the procedure and what is plastic surgery all about. Plastic surgery is a surgical specialty involving the restoration, reconstruction, or alteration of the human body. There are different types of plastic surgery. The birth of plastic surgery all started when wounded soldiers rather than celebrities getting the latest plastic surgery. The First World War saw a huge rise in the number of drastic facial injuries and developed a new method of facial reconstructive surgery in 1917.
It's something which has no beginning. It is something which has no end. It covers every part of the human body. War time da asokpan mayam sina paidana leba kanda dedicated group of surgeons singna makhoi si se kharana manaton yaudaba kharana machin tangkai ma phana pukiba makhoi si karam haina mi marak de tinba yagadge tilhan gadge haidana a dedicated group of surgeons and doctors. They joined together and started the so-called modern plastic surgery.
Today, people all over the globe get these procedures done for many reasons. Plastic surgery, or aesthetic surgery as you call it, is used all over the world.
Cosmetic surgery has become equally important, or probably it is more important now. Mi singsina hungaiba opportunity, hungaiba magi concept of life, magi lifestyle, mayam sina lakpadagi cosmetic surgery now is much in demand.
Some people's emotions have a really big effect on how they think they look. In case of facial deformity, plastic surgery makes one to live a life with dignity. But can plastic surgery really make a person happier?
Beauty is not gender confined or gender defined. I think to be beautiful is the birthright of each and everybody, irrespective of the sex or gender. Adu demand gi matungina hojikti many young men are also opting, especially transgenders. Miyam mirakta tilhan bayan ba. Tin badan natana almost functionally normal ohenaba. Honaba se plastic surgeon singi chauraba thudanga mo oiba. Mirakta tilhanlani functionally normal ohenaba honarani masi plastic surgery singi yamna chauraba thudanga mo oiba. Aikhogi hojik sijadasu hojik su yamna akhogi a big chunk of time si we are spending in trying to alleviate this sort of a problem. At least pi kangdrab mamadu pi kitang de thopinaba wara bi ibung de kitang noksanaba akoi sijagi chauraba matam changkama ko naw ju piri haba smile trend project ki makhata ana masi ngamsung ngami habetai ayamba aikhoina honajamba na yamna nobu phangdrabi mung de nohanba. I think it's one of the greatest contribution plastic surgery gives to the society.
Health professionals like Professor N.G. Sharma said, as a medical professional, safety is paramount, and on the International Plastic Surgery Day, he appeals to the public that burn is one of the catastrophic incidents in one's life and one should avoid it by all means.